Just thought I'd show you this the toolbox from Halfords. You can't really see it on the pictures, as I thought, quite interesting to show you. Good solid aluminium case, two good catches. You've got a centre section what comes down, but I'll start from the top to show you everything what's in. You've got normal pliers, cutters, long nose pliers, metal cutters, electrical tester, flat screwdriver, posi screwdriver, another posi screwdriver and a larger flat screwdriver, utility knife at the top, foam protective layer what goes in there like that. Bottom section you've got a file there, adjustable spanner from 0 to 30 millimeters. You got spanners, you got 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 19 millimeters. Allen keys 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10 millimeters. Everything securely placed with Velcro and elastic. That's that layer. You can lift that up and you pull this over. You've got two different angles. It doesn't really stand up. I'm saying that for lock it will. Yeah, it'll stand up there for how you want it, or you got the one you want there. That's that. Next on the top we've got some precision screwdriver set, which is small precision ones. Load of electrical connectors there. These little circlip pliers and different attachments there. There's 3 different attachments plus there's one on, so there's 4 of them. Torch, little junior hacksaw with spare blades, spirit level, electrical crimper tool, which is quite good. Everything, if you notice, everything's drawn on behind, so you know exactly where everything goes away after. That's that all done. You got another foam piece at the bottom. Ignore the pedal spanner. You got sockets all the way around, which you've got 30 millimeters, 27, 24, 22, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. That's it for the half inch. They're all half inch sizes, which are them. They're all chrome vanadium. Then the 1/4 inch size here, you've got 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.5, 5, 4.5 and 4 millimeter. That's all that, and that's for the 1/4 inch ratchet. We got the screwdriver for the 1/4 inch. Hammer will do the job, and these 90-degree knuckle sockets. You got the 1/2 inch and the 1/4 inch there. Then spark plug spanner, 10 millimeters, 1/2 inch, and 14 millimeter, 1/2 inch. Quite a few screwdriver bits, flat bits, posi bits and Torx bits. T10, T15, T20, T25 and T30. Different thingies. You've got the adapter there, little extension piece. What's that? A tape measure. Not a bad little tape measure. It's probably not the best quality, but it'll absolutely fine for me, and it'll probably do anybody's pretty good set, really. Oh, sorry, you've got this one as well. But for all feels good quality stuff. And you got I missed these. You got the small one there. 1/4 inch. The extension bar 1/4 inch. Smaller extension. That's for the screwdriver bits. Go on. That'll act as an extension as well. That will. Just show you on there. You got your button. Pretty good, really. I think that's it, really. That's everything I've shown you. You just can't really see it in the Halfords website what it's like, really. So it's good to show, really, what it's actually like. And you've got the foam piece that goes back on the bottom. Keep it all in. That goes down. Sorry, that goes over there. That turns around. That locks in place there. That's it. Quite a weight to it, but it's a good set, really. Right, thanks for looking. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.